If you're considering InMotion hosting for your website, there are a few crucial things you should know before making the leap. In this video, we're going to break down 12 essential points to help you make an informed decision. We'll also compare it with other hosting providers to give you a clearer picture. Let's get started. First, InMotion hosting offers impressive speeds with its SSD storage. This is a big win compared to some competitors who still rely on traditional HDDs. The speed difference can noticeably impact your website's load times, which is crucial for user experience and SEO. Next, the customer support is solid. InMotion offers 24/7 support with a reputation for being quick and helpful. This is a big plus, especially when you compare it to other hosts, where support can often be slow or hard to reach. That said, if you're used to the level of support from big names like SiteGround, you might not find it quite as premium. The third thing you should know is that InMotion hosting offers a range of plans, including shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting. This makes it suitable for websites of all sizes, from small personal blogs to large business websites. This versatility is something many competitors don't offer as seamlessly. The fourth thing to note is the free website migration. If you're moving from another host, InMotion will transfer your website for free, which can save you a lot of time and stress. This feature sets them apart from budget-friendly competitors who might charge extra for migration services. Next, InMotion hosting also offers a 90-day money-back guarantee. While this is generous, it's important to keep in mind that some competitors, like Bluehost, only offer 30-day money-back policies. So, this gives you a bit more time to test the service and decide if it's right for you. Now, let's talk about security. InMotion hosting includes free SSL certificates and hack protection on their plans. Many hosts charge extra for these security features, so this is a great value. However, some premium hosts like WP Engine include even more advanced security features for higher tier plans, so it's worth considering if your website needs top-tier protection. The seventh thing to know is their pricing structure. InMotion hosting is not the cheapest option out there, especially if you're looking at long-term costs. They often advertise attractive introductory rates, but after the first term, the renewal prices can be much higher. Competitors like HostGator and A2 Hosting might offer more competitive rates, especially in the long run. Next, InMotion hosting is known for its strong uptime, often hitting 99.9%. This is solid, but if you're looking for an uptime guarantee with a proven track record, you might want to consider something like Kinsta, which has even more impressive uptime stats. The ninth thing is the user interface. InMotion hosting uses cPanel, which is a standard, user-friendly interface that most hosting companies use. However, some of its competitors, like Hostinger, have their own custom control panels, which some users may find easier to navigate. The 10th thing to keep in mind is the scalability. InMotion is great if you plan on growing your website because it offers a variety of upgrade options as your website traffic increases. However, if you're planning for massive growth and need more advanced infrastructure, you might want to consider a specialized provider like DigitalOcean. The 11th thing to note is InMotion's marketing credits. When you sign up, they offer you $100 in Google Ads credits, which is a good start for boosting your website traffic. However, some other hosts, like Bluehost, offer even better promotional packages, so it's worth comparing the offers. Finally, InMotion hosting excels when it comes to its eco-friendly initiatives. They use energy-efficient data centers and support green energy efforts. If sustainability matters to you, this is a huge plus, setting them apart from many other hosting providers. In conclusion, InMotion hosting is a solid option with great performance, good support, and valuable features like free SSL certificates and website migration. But if you're looking for an even better alternative, we recommend checking out our top pick that you can try for free.